The Low Grade Gamer here, coming at you with another testing video. Today we are testing our controllers once again on the Sega Mega Drive. We've got some new controllers in, a arcade stick, and a few other bits and pieces. So again, fighting games are some of the best games that we can use, just because of combos and other bits and pieces. Don't get me wrong, I'm not great at combos, but it does give us that time to test the different controls out, and to be honest, it's a lot of fun for doing it. So again guys, hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for more, and we've definitely got some more videos coming up. Hopefully some few different things coming up that I hope you'll find different. If you played any fighting games growing up, any retro stuff, comment down below. Let us know some of your best wins. I know a lot of us have some stuff that we definitely remember growing up, and I can tell you right now, one of mine was on the PlayStation 2, was when I beat Yamcha with Krillin in the World Tournament. It was a very big day for us, and I still remember it fondly. And it's not that old a game, but it's just something that always comes to mind. So if you've got anything guys, give it a shout out. If you like the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, like our Facebook page, all of those other bits and pieces. And if you want to check out some games, consoles, etc., just head over to the lowgradegamer.com.au. Thanks for everything guys.